Did you know that China has a tropical region? In this video, we'll take you to explore it. Hello friends, welcome back to Greta's Travels and welcome to a pretty unique video. We are in Xishuangbanna in the southwest of China, in the Yunnan province on the border with Myanmar and Laos. So we have arrived in Xishuangbanna and we are starting our time here with the beautiful Xishuangbanna Tropical Botanical Garden. So I am currently exploring a landscape which I didn't think I would be doing while in China. I am in a tropical rainforest called Mengyuan Wonderland. Every day at the Dai Ethnic Garden, just outside Jinghong City, you can take part in a water splashing carnival. And yes, it's just as crazy as the name suggests. Just rock up, change into traditional Dai outfits, pick up your plastic bowl, and get ready for a massive water fight. To make things even more fun, you can expect parades, music, and dancing. It's pretty crazy, but also super fun. So we have driven for about an hour and a half from Xishuangbanna, and we have come out into the mountains and we're exploring the Hekai ancient tea mountain as well as the Mengyuan tea factory, and we're learning more, we're trying different teas, and we're learning more about the tea culture in this area. Unlike other tea plantations I've visited around Asia, where tea trees are trimmed to stay small like bushes, the tea trees at Hekai Ancient Tea Plantation were massive, which meant local people have to climb into the trees to pick the tea leaves. A must-see in Xishuangbanna is Manting Park. Manting Park used to be the imperial garden of the Dai kingdom. Here we saw a performance that was showcasing the outfits, traditions, and dances of different ethnic groups from countries along the Lancang-Mekong River area, including China, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam, as well as Chinese ethnic minorities like the Dai people. After the show, we joined the bonfire party, and I wasn't expecting it to be quite so hectic. We have come to the Starlight Night Market and it is so cool. There are so many stalls, so many lights, it's so lively. It's a really fun place to visit in Xishuangbanna. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video about the tropical side of China. If you have any questions about visiting Xishuangbanna, just let me know in the comments below. And make sure to like and subscribe and come back next week for the final video of the China series. Thank you. Bye.